And now the news in detail. As India swelters under heat wave, Meghalaya Education Department has ordered for closure of education institutions in parts of Garo Hills in view of the same. Informing this, Minister in charge Rakam Sangma said that the worst affected is the West Garo Hills district, and advisories have been issued to the educational institutions to close down both of West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills district.
Because the mostly affected is as of now is West Carolus plant, mostly on the plant belt. There's certain region where the heat not much impacted. So this is only from the West Carolus. So I think South Carolus also have given some advisory for the head of the institution. But if need be, will decide based on the improvement of the situation. I think will take a call. So, and also would like to urge all the parents or the heads of the institution to take care of the pupils and the whole environment of the institutions.